So this is going to be part one and hopefully an exhaustive series for new developers starting work for Gunner Technology. It's basically going to take every new developer through setup, through processes, through actual working client examples. And I'm not going to assume anything, so that's why we basically are going to start from scratch as though you have basically a new machine. So to that vein, in this screencast, we're going to walk through installing um, a Mac OS X developer tools, which you probably already have installed, but like I said, I'm not going to assume anything. So this is you can either install it off your Snow Leopard disk, or whatever version of Mac OS X is the flavor of the day when you're reading this, or you can just grab it from Apple. We're going to do the latter, even though it's going to take us forever to download it. We're going to go here, and by the way, I'm working on a fresh computer. It's not set up for development, so this will be a good test. So basically, we're going to go to Mac Dev Center, and we're going to sign in. Hopefully in a second here we get download link. This is always fun when the site doesn't load. Alright, well, let's just see. We can Google it and find it. Developer tools under technologies. There we go. Where's the download? There we go. Free download. Perfect. Okay, so it just takes us back here, which is where we were to begin with. There we go. Now it finally loads. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and download the Xcode 3.2.5, which also includes the iOS SDK, which is good because that'll be a requirement also. So now it's going to take about 2 hours to download. So I'm going to pause this, and I will magically have downloaded this next time we talk. All right, so welcome back. That only took about 2.5 hours. So hopefully you have it on the Leopard disk, so it make it a little bit easier. So once it downloads, it opens up a package automatically like this, and it says Xcode and iOS SDK, and we're just going to open that and click Continue, 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 Agree, Continue, Agree. Select that Macintosh HD. And we're going to check, we want to make sure we check this as well. So make sure you check that OS X 10.4 SDK, and then click Continue. Install, and it's going to ask you for the password. And it's going to take probably about 30 minutes to install. So again, I'm going to pause this and it'll look like I zoomed through the install process, but I'm going to pause this and come back to it. Alright, so that finished. Took about 20 minutes, not 30 minutes, and then I just clicked OK after I was done. And you're all set. The last thing you want to do is probably unmount your Xcode just by clicking the eject button right there. And that's it. Next time we're going to take a look at installing Git.